Hello, Yaley friends. Welcome to the last song. This is Ode to Joy. This is our Luke Skywalker Black Belt song. The title's cut off because there were so many notes in this song, but that does not mean that you need to be afraid of it. Anything that I highlighted in pink means it's a repeated pattern, so you've got something here, here, and here that's pretty much almost the same. I did not write any notes in today because if you've made it to this song, you either know your notes from memory or you can figure out how to write them in yourself. Remember, every good boy does fine on the lines, F-A-C-E, face in the space. All right, this one, really not that hard, okay? We have something here where we have a tie from one note on this line to the first note on the bottom line. It's just a 1 plus 1, so that means we're going to hold it for 2 beats, a quarter note plus a quarter note. 1 plus 1 is 2. Other than that, it's just a matter of getting it through your fingers. I will tell you that this section through here with the A's, B's, and C's can be a little tricky. So you're going to want to practice that slowly like this. That was all left-hand action, but using that new note C and getting this finger picked up, it's going to take a little work. So let's try the whole thing together. It's mostly quarter notes. There's a few other rhythms in it. I don't think we need to clap the whole thing because it's very repetitive. I'm going to play it for you. You're welcome to play along with me or just listen. This is how Ode to Joy, our 9th song, should go. Second line. Third line. I didn't stop for the 4th line because that's where we had that tie note from here all the way to here. So again, that's the 9th song. That's the final song in Recorder Karate, Recorder Wars. Not too bad. But of course, as always, if you need any help, just reach out to me and I will help you as best I can. Goodbye, Yaley friends, and I'll see you soon.